Hey everyone, I am Sidhu Chelluru, the founder of CyberRealm. What do you think about this image? A QR code. What if I told you it contains some highly sensitive information about me? That's right, I have actually converted a PDF file into this binary image. And the best part is, we can do this with almost any type of file. This project falls under the category of data security. It was our basic to advanced level project. Basically, we are converting files into strings of ones and zeros, known as binary language or computer language. Later, we can decode these images to get back our original files. Let me dive into the details. Wait, I think we need an intro here. Now let's take a closer look at some code snippets and the project itself. Imagine this is my secret file. It contains very sensitive information and I want to encode it. First we convert the file into a binary string. Then we create an empty images of the same size calculated based on the binary string's length and the size of each image. I recommend using a 4K resolution image which typically has dimensions of 3840 into 2160. Next, we assign color values to each pixel based on the binary string, with white for 0 and black for 1. Here is the results of my secret file. Decoding follows a similar process in reverse. However, we can also take this project to an advanced level. Instead of just two colors, we can utilize every possible color by dividing the binary string into multiple strings of length 24 and assigning different colors to each string. We can reduce the binary string size up to 30%. By minimizing the number of encoded images, we can reduce the size of the file. This sounds like a lot to take in. Don't worry. I will cover the advanced level of this project in my next video with coding and documentation. If you are interested in this project, feel free to reach out to us. You can also check out our social media post in the description for more information on how and where to access the project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.